Hello friends, my name is Sandeep and you are watching Civil Engineers Talk. So friends, if you are a new visitor, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest video update. So friends, today's our topic is how to measure a plot area in AutoCAD. Simple and easy steps for everyone because every engineer must know AutoCAD basics and it's a command. So let's start. So friends, first I'm going to tell you some few commands which is very applicable for everyone. So let's start. First command is measure geometry. So type MEAS. As you can see, measure geom. It's a short form of measure geometry. So select it and as you can see in measure geometry there are many options, so select area and you can start from anywhere, from any edge of a plot. So let's select one edge, second edge and third and fourth. So now we will have to enter here in the as you can see on the screen, the area plot is 2,14,200 in square feet. Actually friends, we made a mistake by selecting the points. So friends, let's select again measure geometry, type yes measure geometry and select area in given column and select any start from any edge and select very carefully all the points and corner, because if you will not select any corner or edge precisely, so area will be different. So let's see friends, now we have got a correct area is 2,01,600 in square inch and 1,500 in square feet. So it is a very basic and very important command for measuring distance, radius, angle, area and volume. So let's see another command. Select area direct in command box and click on area and select all corners very precisely. This and this. Enter. So friends, as you can see, similar statements from this command as similar we did recently. And now third one is enter P line in command box and select or start from any corner of drawing and select further and select further and meet at cross here. As you can see here a cross here because P line is required to close. by connecting both things. So enter. As you can see, we have brought uh, we have drawn a P line, and now select P line and enter properties in command box and select in on property. So let's see in property. Here you can see area 2 lakh 10,600 square, 2 lakh 16,000 square inch, or 1,500 square feet, and its length is or perimeter is 160 feet. So let's see another way. Select peer, close it, and again select P line and enter list. As you can see in the statement, the area of plot is 2,16,000 square inch and or 1,500 square feet, and its length is 160 feet. So friends, these are the basic commands for measuring area in AutoCAD, and it is a very basic because many interviewer ask how to measure area and by which command in AutoCAD. So it is a also an interview question. So please keep it in mind because AutoCAD is very important for us because we are an engineer and we are in construction. So keep it in mind and use it regularly. So friends, how was it? Please subscribe our channel, press bell icon if you haven't done it, and like and share these videos. So thank you for watching us.